Ito ang latest chika Danay Pangilinan naming may secret weapon sa buhay. Isang babae raw ang secret weapon niya. Ito ang inamin ng aktor, si isang showbiz columnist. Alam mo yun, the secret weapon in love is having the right partner. And si Bella yun. It is a beautiful reminder that love is so powerful and having the right partner will bring you to the right destination. You are at peace when you wake up in the morning and you know that your partner is faithful and honest, where you know everything and nothing are hidden from you. You being secure that you are the priority next to God, knows what you love and avoid what you hate. That you are a team, someone support you and look after you. It's a beautiful when you know someone is on your side, cheering on you when you are doing a great job, encouraging you when you are almost giving up, knowing you are loving you on days you don't love yourself. That's a beauty of finding the right one, because in this life you will go through different seasons, the breaking, the pruning, the planting, the harvesting, and all the seasons require resilience, strength, and faith. It is important that you have someone with you who will stand beside you, encouraging you to not give up, to let go, to keep on trying, and humbles you when your life is fruitful. If you found the right one, keep them. And ngayon nga, nahanap ko na si Belle. So, ikikip ko na yan.